Hey bestie, I feel like if you clicked on this video, you might be a little confused because I did just do a August Boxycharm video. But the reason that I'm doing another one is because we were just recently added to Boxycharm's PR list, which is so exciting. I'm really happy about it because for the longest time, I mean, since like 2018 or 2017 or something, I've been getting Boxycharm every single month. And now that I'm finally getting into social media like a lot, you know what I mean, they're actually going to send it to me for free. So that is really exciting. But anyways, if you guys don't know what Boxycharm is and you didn't see the other video, basically Boxycharm is a subscription box where they'll send you like over $100 worth of product. You get some beauty stuff, some, you know, skincare, some makeup sometimes, hair stuff, whatever. So I really love the box and we're just gonna get right into it. So I don't want anyone thinking though that I'm just gonna go ahead and like show you guys the same products as the last video. Definitely not. This is a different video. This is different products. Boxycharm doesn't send every single person the same exact products, and you can take quizzes online with them if there's specific things that you want more than others, which is really helpful. So I'm gonna go ahead, and you guys already know the theme for this month is Go All Out, which I think is really cute. And so we're just gonna jump right into it. This is a little card that tells you what the product is and how much it is. The first product is the Laura Geller, the Casual Collection Multi-Finish Eyeshadow Palette, which is $45. This is what the outer packaging looks like. Super cute. This is the inside, you guys. So it looks super bougie, not gonna lie. I'm really excited to use this. This is like super pretty. I feel like I could definitely like achieve a similar look to what's on my eyes right now with this palette. I feel like this is super good for like work, school, whatever. Really beautiful. Let's swatch some of the shades. Let's go in with this shade, and let's do this pretty shade over here. We're gonna do shimmers. And then we're gonna do mattes. Whoa, okay. Not gonna lie, that shade up there is gorgeous. Like that's super blinding. I thought like all of these shades would be more subtle, but these are actually really beautiful. This one is a little bit muted down, but I think if you like wet it, it would be way more foiled too. That's actually really good quality. I don't think I've ever tried anything from Laura Geller, so we're gonna go ahead and go into that brown shade. Go into this nude shade, the shade on the bottom. You guys see it on my fingers. These are like really light. And we're just gonna go on this side. And as you can see, like, yeah, like it's pretty light other than like this one, but it's definitely workable. It feels like really buttery. I'm super excited to actually use this palette because I've never used anything from this brand before, I don't think, which, you know what I mean, they're a little expensive, $45, like, but I mean, this actually looks like really pretty. So, I mean, I probably would spend that, to be honest with you guys. And honestly, if you get Boxycharm, you're not really doing that because it's $20 a month and this is already $45. So, okay, so this next product is $70, $68, but $70. And it is the Dr. Lilly Fan Probiotic X-Lash Enhancer. And basically it says that it has peptides in it. It's natural and safe to use with clinical results. It delivers the wow effect, giving you length and volume, which I love when it comes to lashes, you guys. So that is really nice in there, honestly. I typically don't even like just use mascara. I usually just do lashes every single day. So I might give this to my mom, but then again, she's been really into lashes. I might just use it anyways, just to kind of like let you guys know how it worked for me. But that's like a really nice thing to get in a box, like $70. Oh my goodness. So this next item is super cute. It's just like a nice little thing to put in the box. This is the Frank Body Booty Drops Firming Body Oil. And it says, the card says, drop it like you're hot. It is a firming body oil to help smooth you all over. It has caffeine in it, guarana, carrot root extract, grapeseed, jojoba oils. Like, that sounds really good, and I am really excited to try this. Now it says booty oil, but you can use it everywhere, so I'm super duper excited. I think this is just such like a nice little thing to add in the box because I don't really have anything like this other than like lotion and stuff. So yeah, this is like a nice little addition. This next item is so cute, man. I think that this is so aesthetically pleasing, and I'll tell you what it is. It is the Truly Beauty Pineapple Haze CBD Glossy Lip Butter. It's $16. It says soak in the benefits of hemp, jojoba, and vitamin E to hydrate and condition your lips and protect them from outside conditions. This is so cute, y'all. Like, I think this is so pretty. I love getting skincare in my boxes. It's honestly my favorite. I have like enough makeup, so this is honestly like my favorite kind of stuff to get. The color is so cute. I know it's not about that, it's about the actual product, but still, like, this is so cute, honestly. This is the Monocot Beauty Hydrating Happy Face Mist. It's to soothe and refresh tired skin with a mist that preps and hydrates the base before makeup. Really, really beautiful, if I'm being honest. I have used it. It has like a really nice smell to it as well. I'll probably give this to my mom because I already had it. I already received it in the other box. But I just wanted to kind of throw that in there for you so that maybe if you wanted to get it, you know, you could get your hands on it by getting this one's box. So that is it, everyone. I'm gonna go ahead and count off camera the prices and get back to you on the overall price number. So the total is $166. I can't exactly remember if that's the same price that I got in the last box, but I know that it's super duper similar. Thinking about it, I feel like they have to keep it super close, you know what I mean, with how much things cost in each box, even though you might get other products than someone else. But yeah, I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please subscribe and like, and definitely leave comments for things you want to see in the future. I love you guys so much and thank you for watching. Bye.